The oil fill tube is an extension tube that is attached to the engine's crankcase. It makes it easier to fill the engine with oil. The plastic tube is sealed to the engine with an O-ring and secured with a screw. If the fill tube is hit against something, it can be cracked. Over time, the O-ring can harden and crack. Either problem will allow oil to leak from the engine and dirt to enter. Replacing the oil fill tube is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old oil fill tube from the engine. The oil fill tube is secured to the crankcase with a screw. The screw is located just behind the heat dam. The easy way to do this repair is to use a utility knife and just notch the heat dam so that you can access the screw. Be careful not to cut the fuel lines. And now I have access to the screw. As you can see, I've tipped the blower on its side so the oil doesn't drain out. With the screw removed, now I can remove the fill tube. Now I can install the new fill tube. I'll align it with the crankcase and insert the O-ring. Then I'll secure it with the screw. I'll remove the cap from the old fill tube and install it on the new one. And that's how you can install a new oil fill tube on your small engine. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.